Okay, so welcome to our DRG number 16 Solidworks modeling. So we know this is the question we're going to do. Alright, we've sketched out how to do the given plan and elevation of the lollipop and to draw the auxiliary elevation, and we've sketched out what the plan and elevation is going to look like. So I'm going to bring that up now, what our solution is going to look like, and then we're going to model it, okay, in 3D before we start the technical drawing. So this is what our plan looks like, our elevation, okay, and this is our auxiliary elevation. So we spoke in class that four faces of the cube project as edge views in this auxiliary elevation, and we project the point views of the lines back down to plan, and that the faces of the cube were tangential, okay, to the sphere of the lollipop. So that's why the square was touching the circle here. And that's why down in plan you see two faces touching the sphere, okay, because the front face and the back face project as edge views. And then we bring them up to elevation and take the heights from our auxiliary elevation up here, and parallel lines project as parallel lines in every orthographic view. And that some of our key principles we looked at is that okay, a line projects as a point when you look along the true length, and a surface projects as an edge view when any line on that surface projects as a point. So that was this is our solution of the question. So we're going to begin modeling that now. Right, so the sphere is out 70 from the XY line, okay, in plan, and is up 30 from the XY line in elevation. So I'm going to go and click on my horizontal plane, sketch. I'm going to draw a point here, smart dimension. Okay, I'm going to give it a distance from the origin, 80, and I'll give it a distance here of 70 from the XY line, or from the origin rather, 70. And then I'm going to exit the sketch. Okay, I'm going to go sketch, 3D sketch, line, just going to draw a line up, D for dimension 30, so the line is 30. Then I'm going to exit the sketch, so this is going to locate our center point. Go features, reference geometry plane, select the vertical plane, select the point there, click OK. Rename plane 1 to sphere revolve plane. Okay, now, so I'm going to click sphere revolve plane, control 8, I'm going to press sketch, okay, center line, start from the bottom, go up to the top, okay, circle, so draw a circle, okay, trim entities, cut away half the circle, L for line, close it, D for dimension, radius 20. Okay, and the semicircle goes black. Features, revolve boss base, we've got a sphere there. Okay, we'll rename that the lollipop. Now we're going to put in the stick. Okay, so it's 45 degrees, okay, we can see, alright, and 80 long and 45 degrees in elevation. So I'm going to go click on the horizontal plane, control 8, going to go sketch. Before I do that, I'm actually going to switch it to the vertical plane. Click the vertical plane, control 8, sketch, okay, center line, so the light line I'm going to draw it, go to smart dimension, 80 long, 45 degrees, okay, and I'm going to exit the sketch. So there we go. Then I'm going to go and click the horizontal plane, control 8, sketch, center line. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line there, smart dimension, 45 degrees. Okay, and I'm going to click this. I'm going to turn off Smart Dimension. Click this point, hold Control, click that one, make vertical. So now we have the plan view of the lollipop stick as well as our elevation. Now I'm going to exit the sketch. I'm going to go to Features, Curves, Project Curve, Sketch on Sketch, but this isn't going to work for me here because they're both construction. So right click, Edit Sketch. Okay, just click the line. Okay, turn off construction geometry. Okay, same here. Edit the sketch. Click the line. Turn off construction geometry. Exit sketch. This is going to work now for me. Project curve, or should work. Line and line. There we have the handle. So we're going to rename that the handle. Now, so we can see the handle and the sphere. Okay, right. Now we're going to put a cube around this sphere here. So we're going to click the horizontal plane, Control 8, reference geometry plane, and I'm going to select this line here, the stick, and I have the horizontal plane, Control 8, and I'm going to look perpendicular to it. Okay, and I'm going to get I'm going to go to Sketch, 3-point center rectangle. So I'm going to draw, so I have a line there. I'm going to go out a little bit. There we go. 3-point center rectangle. Now I'm going to click inside it. They're all being really annoying to click. Okay, equals. Okay, I'm going to click the rectangle there. Now I'm going to catch the loop. See this little cylinder that comes up right there? Hold down Control, click that, make tangent. Okay, now this still square hasn't gone blue and it should have. That's because the center is still moving about. So I'm going to click the center point, hold Control, click that point of the stick, make coincident. And now it's gone black. Now I'm going to go to Surfaces, Extrude Surface. I'm going to type in 20 or 40, sorry, because the diameter of the sphere is 40. I'm going to, under the drop down arrow, I'm going to select mid plane. So that means it goes out, okay, equally, right from the middle of it. I'm also going to take cap ends. So now that means it puts caps the ends of them. So I'm going to click OK. So now I have the cube packaging. So I'm going to click F2, type in cube packaging. Now we're going to put in our elevation, okay, our plan view and our auxiliary elevation. So plane, I'm going to take plane 2, I'm going to rename it to mid plane. And then I'm going to move my mouse, hold it until I get this cross, and drag the plane out. Now I'm going to hide the sphere revolve plane, so right click, hide. I'm going to click plane 3, rename it to auxiliary vertical plane. Now, so I click it, Control 8, okay, and I'm just going to turn on the hidden detail. So this arrow here, hidden detail. I'm going to press Sketch, okay, convert entities. So convert our edges here. Okay, tick OK. I'm going to go to circle. Okay, draw the circle out here. Tick for construction. Okay, L for line. Start from here. out to there. Okay, that point is blue there because I need to snap it on to the end. I can't do that in this view. Okay, so just if you make it look right, I'll be happy with that. Just have it in line, I'll be happy with that. Okay, and then another center line here for the hidden detail, and then our convert entities again, okay, for our x1, y1 line. So you know that. Turn off our sketch, turn back on the color. Okay, might be a good idea to right click over the vertical plane, hide, right click over the end vertical plane and the horizontal plane, click hide, because it's getting a bit confusing now. Alright, now we'll do our plan view, or we'll do our horizontal plane, Control and 8. Okay, sketch, okay, convert entities, 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, okay, and then I can click that one there and make hidden. If I turn on the hidden detail, convert entities again, you can get that line and click it and press make construction. Okay, and exit the sketch. Okay, so I'm working away there as a plan view. So we've got our plan view there. I'm just missing the stick of the lollipop, so I'm going to right click, edit sketch, and I'm going to just move it slightly and press convert. Okay, the question is on our drawing, how do we figure out when that becomes hidden detail? Okay, well the solution will lie in, okay, if I do a 3D sketch here, line, I'm going to bring the line back to here, and click the line, hold control, click that one, make parallel. See the way it's gone black now. So if you project back from your auxiliary elevation, this locates the moment, okay, in plan view that it becomes heavy and hidden. So that's the location for what's heavy and what's hidden. So I could drag my sketch 10 below my 3D sketch, edit it, then I could go a line tool out to there, and click OK, do the line again for construction from there to there. Now, so we have our plan view, okay, done. So we'll rename this plan view. Auxiliary elevation. Okay, now then we can put in our elevation. So I'll turn on my hidden detail, might right click, hide this plane, right click, hide my auxiliary vertical plane, right click, hide that 3D sketch line, and this original line there, I'll hide that. Convert entities, so I'll have to press the vertical plane, sketch, convert entities. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They're all hidden detail. Our center line for hidden stuff. So we can see that, then we can see where our lollipop handle is going. Okay, there we go. And that's just allowing me to lock to the end. and our elevation is nearly complete now. So there's our elevation there, completed. Okay, and what'll be no harm now is I'll add in some colour. Okay, now in one moment. It's just proven difficult to get the circle fully defined, so I'm just going to zoom in, move it a bit. I'm going to click this circle, hold control, click that one, type make concentric, then it's fully defined. Now, so there's my elevation, there's my end elevation, or sorry, there's my plan view. The plan view will be completed by doing a 3D sketch lines. So you just project our lines back. So there we go. So this line projects as a point over there because we're looking along the true length of the line. And the reason we know it's the true length, okay, this line is because it's parallel to the XY line in the elevation. So if a line is parallel to the XY line in elevation, it's a true length in plan. And if it's parallel to the XY line in plan, it's a true length in elevation. So there are projection lines back to plan. Okay, here are our colours coming in. We'll turn back on our colours. Okay, I'm going to go to the appearance tab. I'm going to hit the pin arrow there. I'm going to select the faces. So red face here. Okay, tick OK. Okay, blue face. Tick OK. And I'm going to pause the video and just run through them. So as said, okay, that's what the elevation looks like. Okay, with the hidden detail in the dashed lines, and that's what our plan view looks like. And you can use the colors there to help you visualize that. Right, okay, thank you very much.